This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, see here, last what we discussed. See here, last is starting as a
BRM.
BRM. So under BRM, what are the things you have to discuss in here?
Like the rule naming things and fun.
So here, by using the BRM, okay, so how to creating as a good naming convention, a good naming conventions of name conventions of your role. Okay, the single role, composite role, any role, you can. Now, so second one also there. So second one you were discussing. Now today there's a second conditions also. The second one, sir, if creating as a any role, first of all, what we check it. So the role is okay. The role is created perfectly. I'll check. First of all, what we do. So I want to check it. So when I'm create this role, the risk is available or not. Okay. And even so, when you're creating any singular here, what are the transaction code you are assigning? Okay. And here, so who is the approver? Okay. So who is approver? And we have to deriving also will be there. Okay, how we can derive approver, owner, and who are the deriver roles. Okay, so who will go for as a deriving, and even so I want doing as internal testing. Okay, like testing also done. Then you can go for as a completed. Okay, these overall setups. Okay, that means within the one screen you have to perform this overall analysis. So how we can perform it? So you can using as a one small concept. That concept you can calling as a BRM plus. So what is BRM plus is nothing but it's a business rule framework. So what is this meaning? Why you want to go for this? It's optional. But by using this, you have to define these overall stages. For example, previously when you create the role, how many phases is there? You have only two phases. One is a generation, one is a completed. But I want to all phases of these all steps also required. So how you can go for it? So that is also you have to go for one by using as a BRF. Sir, what is the meaning of BRF plus is nothing but so BRF plus is an application to running as a your overall rule sets. Okay, okay, these are over. So, sir, even on a phone. For example, why the BRF plus we want to go? For example, I'm taking one real time example. For example, here you want to get the salaries, I think. Okay, so as a HR guy, what are the things I want to consider? Okay, what are the things I want to able to consider to hiring as a salary to? Okay, so how much salary you have to providing to you? Okay, every year I think in April period, okay, in April month, RS. So I want to recruiting you a new company. So you're already working in SAP company. Now I want to recruiting as essential company. Okay, so what are the considerations you have to calculate it? Okay, so what are the considerations you have to do? How much salary you are providing? So what are the things those are considered? Any idea? Okay, so here even not only this, but here two things is there. So here, so here already who are existing employee. First of all here two things is two employees is there. See here already existing employees. What happened as IT policy? What happened every year in India? What happened? You should be present current salary to. So every year what will you have increasing as 8%. Otherwise your performance is very good. Those are going to the 8 to 30% to the increasing. Okay, that is one thing. For example, now I want to recruiting the new peoples. Okay, the new employees. When you new employee, your current salary is, for example, current salary is 10 lakhs. So how much you are affecting? So suppose I'm asking how much. So how much salary were affected? Sorry, how much salary were expected? At that time, what will do? So you can say exactly some values are I'm expecting as 30%, some guys are expecting as 90%, or some guys are expecting 100% so high. Okay, they're asking like. So then what happened? HR guys, before when you go for HR round, those are calculated. What are the things those are calculated is nothing but here. So how the employees are in Excel, so how the HR guys will be calculated this salaries. First of all, your current company. Okay, which company you are working on? Okay, so those are go for as a your company tier configuration. So here, for example, you're working in a so on a company. Now we are working in a IBM company. So IBM is MNC. So this is the one tier, means first level. Okay, even you're working in a Accenture. Okay, this is also one tier. Okay, level one company, getting your level one, level two, level three, like that. Okay, even TCS is a level one company. Okay, even suppose you have to go for as a Capgemini. So I think okay, Capgemini this is also level one company. So suppose when you go for a small company like HCL, it's not level one, it's a level two company. Even means small company, not MNCs, it's small companies like India-based companies. Okay, and means local, like quality based, let's even
Mhm.
as a Colgate that's international. Like okay, and even level two companies are like a level two, okay, level three, others you can just putting as a others are okay, others are so treated. First one, those are preparing one list. Okay, level one guys are go for one salary, level one go for as a so this is the first thing those are considered. And second thing, those will go for as a year based. Okay, here for a years of experience. And years of experience, your air configuration, which companies you're working on, and those will go for as a designation also. Okay, designation. So here now here 2 years of experience, you are working in a level one company, that is essentially working on. Okay, again, working around 3 years for level two companies, so that is HCL working on again your experience. Okay, again here, so you are working in around 1 year for IBM, that is also one tier configuration. You are working in IBM. So sorry. This is the designation. Yeah, one tier company now. For designation, here is a software engineer. Here also software engineer. So once you have 5 years experience. 5 means what do we call? Senior software engineer. Okay. So again 2 years we are working in a level two company. Again senior software engineer only. After that, again you have to come into the around again 2 years you are working in a one tier company, that is a team lead. Okay, and this is also again 2 years working in a level two companies or level three companies. That is also team lead. Okay, software engineer, senior software engineer, and team lead. That is also there. Now, so based on these two, those are designated as salary. So how does it design the salary here? Here, so who are working in a tier one, either okay, either Accenture, either IBM, either anything. So here, what is the level is there? Is a senior software engineer. Okay, so tier one and the software one is software engineer, say software engineer, and those are given the salary, basic salaries starting 1 year now. So here, 5 lakh to 6 lakh. Just to the some, just to the some level. First one and second one. Okay, this is the one whole set you are creating. Okay, and second one. Okay, again, who are working in a this is I can say tier. Okay, level two company, same position. How much salary is there? MNC and long wage salaries are very different. So you can starting as 3 lakh salaries. So you are working in a two-tier company. Okay, senior software engineer. The salary is only 3 lakh. Same thing when you're working on a MNC's one-tier companies. So how much salary you getting? Yes. And even same thing when you go for a three-tier. So 3 lakhs, level 3, same. So the starting as 2 lakhs. This is also the freshers also will be considered like. Okay, and same thing. So you're working in a team lead for a tier one system. Then the salary is more than 15 lakhs. Starting on 15 lakhs. Okay, even tier 2 team lead 10 lakhs. Means what happened here? Those are creating some rule set here. What are the rule set here creating here? So first of all, based on the tail, and second thing, what do you think here? Based on the designation,
Right.
what happened? Those are providing the salary. But experience here, what happened? The experience also here will be on say we have project level than here. Based on the experience means these three things here considered. One is a pay and one is the years of experience, that is the designations, and based on that, those are providing a salary. So you are having is a 10 years and I have a 10 years, but salary will be dependent because it's a country or client or currency that is later. First of all, HR case. Even this is what newly recruited people, those are checking. But already existing one lab paper, every 4 months, every 6 months, what happened? Based on the company profit. Even if the company is getting the profit on that is little thing, and we have begin, you can say based on their performance. Say your team lead is given some rating. So and then what happened again? You have to the feedback is forward to the HR guys. HR guys, what are they doing? Those are checking as your leaves, a number of days you are putting a leave, and even those are checking as a what is the even your performance and even your communication, every client based working hours, everything those are calculated and those are preparing as a well salary at finalizations. Okay, these all condition, these all set up, this is you can say these all are different type of roles. So these all roles I have to performing and I have to finalize it, I want to deciding as a well salary. Okay, these all phases like how to creating as a tag, how to creating as years, how to creating a salary. For example, now I have to give my final stage is a salary. This is my final stage is salary. So before that, what we'll do? So before those are checking as a first of all pay, and those are checking as a company, which company you're working on, and after that they're taking as a designation. Okay, designation, and finally you're getting as a salary. So this is just normal level. So finally you're getting a salary, you're getting high. Means those are checking this all are background. This three phases is completed, then only getting as a same thing here. I want to creating as one role. First of all, what I'm doing here. So I had the good naming convention. That good naming convention is perfectly there. After that, which business process you are working on? Business process also done. Sub business process also done. After that, again, those are checking whether any risk is there or not. Okay, and try again the risk either you are discussing as a transaction code level risk or action level. So this is called a action level risk or action level risk and permission level risk. Again, and getting this thing again here who are mitigating this means here who are approving this. Okay, and after that authorization analysis. Okay, authorization analysis. After that, doing as a general testing. Okay, this general testing, and finally, role was completed. Okay, these many phases. So how to get this many phases? Okay, so this is all this the different role set. So how we can configure by using only one simple example, that is the BRM plus. So BRM plus is a combining of overall role set. You can design means you can say process. Even you can say this is also you can say multi stages and multi process, but not multi stage, multi phases, but a single process, that is a BRM. Okay.
Okay.
How you can performing as a BRM plus normal also you can using a BRM plus. What are the phases will be there? So you have to go for one by one practicals also. See while the transition code also similar. So either you can using as a BRF plus, either you can typing as a BRF plus underscore, sorry, BRF underscore plus, or else you can using the transition code. Yeah, just you can accessing anything. BRF S. Okay. So or else you can doing as a FND workbench. This is different. So by using this 3 transition code, you can perform as a BRF. Now I want to creating as a BRF plus BRM concept. Okay, now how to creating as a BRF role frame? So we'll be go for one by one. Okay, this is not a mandatory because so you have to do manual also, but it is taking longer time. So instead of you have to go for local, I want to make an automation by using as a BRF plus. Okay. So now how we can perform it? Yeah. So log on to this GRC system.
What is this?
Yeah. Okay. Go for as a BRF plus. Just type the transition code BRF plus. Here you mention as a who was the approver, who was that is also you can create that.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on once to create. Yeah. Before that, so you can do an SAP level also. Just so how you can perform? Just go for SPRO transition code. Here there is no applications. So whatever applications you just go for transition SPRO. Go for BRM. Access control external BRM. Now we go for expand the BRM role management. Role management. Not that. Not. Generate the BRM plus application approval and methodology process. Is that application? So here when BRM plus there is no applications. No, I want to generating newly. Yeah, give the application name. Just give it JetBeepan underscore BRM plus something like. It should be compulsory starting with ZR violator. Methodology process. Customizing it should be compulsory. Application name JetBeepan underscore BRM. BRM. You performing as BRM, so you can using the BRM role method. Give the description. Role methodology of application 1. BRF role application 1. Okay. Next one below also BRF plus methodology role. Methodology is nothing but here single role or composite role or derived role. So, okay. Again give it Z underscore weapon underscore role methodology. Below one, yeah, role ID, methodology ID. So you have just are putting suppose you are doing single role, give that Z single role methodology. Single roles, putting in the naming single role, you're creating a single role or composite role, you can decide it. single. So same thing, you have to go for composite role, derive role, temporary methodology also. So give that role methodology 1. Next one. Again, approver, Z underscore single and role approver. Who are approving? Approver. Single role approver. Okay, give that role approver. Now click on execution button.
Created.
Yes, it's done successfully. Now you have to go for BRM+. Is showing as this application there. It's application ID, application to single role ID. Just type it BRM+. Already open. Let me check it once. Internet Explorer is there. Refresh. Again, close and open again. It's good. Yes, it's getting that role methodology of data object means what type of. So either you are inserting as a table, either you are inserting as a. So everything you have to give in one by one here. Do it else here. Okay. Now select the application. Select the these all data application type role. See here below application type, business process, key condition, group ID, connector group, critical level, function area. All those things. See here that elements. What are the elements? Is everything showing as a one by one, one by one. Role type, role status, role sensitivity, role name, project name. These all. So how is where you getting this all details? The details is getting when you create the role, showing you these overall details. If you want to changing this, you can do changes here also. Okay, no need to do anything. Just here, select the role methodology of app 1. Just right click on that. Minimize the data and function both and right click on create expression. Expression is there. No? Under expression, you can selecting the decision table. Click on decision table. So how we can what type of conditions decision table? Click on create it. Now give the name role methodology, single role methodology 1. With the naming convention, but you have to remember the naming. Weapon role methodology like 3 to make sure. Text also. Same thing, copy and paste is better. It's not a mandatory, okay, fine. Now create and navigate the object. So under table, you can inserting as a context data, conditions. What are the conditions you have to mention? Condition group as well as a So here 2 conditions, don't need to do anything, just here. So below list of columns means in this table, what type of columns you want to add. So here you are assigning the conditions as well as the result condition. Okay. Inside the column, just click on the small icon. You have insert the columns with context data. Yes. Now you can selecting the role type. After you can selecting the role type, what type of role you are assigning. role type. Select the role type. No, condition group. Expand the condition group ID. No, not that. Condition group ID. You can select. Remove that. Remove the column. Remove that. You are adding. Just click on remove that. No, what we adding? Just click on remove that. Yeah. Now again insert. Expand the condition group. The condition group we can adding as a role type.
Where is it?
So it's the CND condition group ID.
But
Scroll down
they
below.
won't.
No, below one. Condition group ID is there, no? Expand that. Click on that. Scroll down. Is getting. No? What happens is go taking group ID directly.
Yes.
Okay. Above one is taking as a condition. Below one is. Okay. Again, what we just remove that is just click on remove that. Remove the column. Add the role type only. Above one. Insert the column again. Select the role type. Insert the role type. What type of single role? And above their role is not there. Below it role type. Select that. Okay. Now below our output you can put it. Yeah. Click on. No need. Just click on all. Click on next. Click on OK.
Yes.
No need to. Yeah. No. Click on OK. Yeah. Now go for below one. Insert the column for data object. Below result column is there. Na? Now you can selecting as a condition group ID. What happened? Scroll down. Now you can select condition group. Select the condition group ID. Group ID below. Click on it. This is what is showing as. And it should be entering manually. It should be compulsory. Making as a mandatory. Click on OK. Okay, here mandatory. That is compulsory. Yeah, is there? No need to just OK. Click on OK. Okay. So here, where is the application? No. 1 second. What happened is you have to get it. So here below table is there, is not. You just wait before that. Below table is there, yeah. Below, yeah, is getting now. Below table is there, add the row, insert the row. Plus symbol is there, plus symbol. Insert the row. Click on that. Now here, first of all, what type of is there here? So role type. That is your input you are providing. What is the condition group? That is the output. Okay. See, 2 columns only getting. You are entering this framework. You are entering in the one table. The table you are saying 2 column. One is the input
Role
column is the
type
role
and condition.
condition group. Okay. Small icon. Just click on that. Yes. Role type. What type of role is a single role? Yes. Direct value input. Click on that. So here equal to is there. So you can selecting a single role, composite role, equal to, greater than, less than. Just options is there. Okay, then you're taking equal to single role. Browse option. Browse option. See, these are the roles type is available. Okay, now I am able to creating single row. Okay, and the condition. Okay, click on OK. Okay, no problem. Condition group, specify that. That is also single role. You can type it manually. It's single. Type it manually. Single row. Single. Type it. No. The difference is the role type, and this is the you have to remember. Both are not same, so you should be on single something like. Now click on save. Go for it once it's done. Save is done.
Yeah.
Okay, and here now go for role methodology. Just double click on the right side. You have decision table is an expression. Right side expression is there. No, that's okay. Expression is there. No? Right side data update, role methodology, minimize everything. Right side you have application type, expression is there. Go for expression. No, not left. You said left. I think your left. Yeah, my left side. Left side. Left side you have expression function. So under you have to go for extension below one table under below you have minimize this everything. Whatever you are open, just minimize this. Select the expression. Hmm. Okay, double click on the decision table. Will be decision table correct or not? Yeah, double click on single role method. I'll double click on that. Double click on it. Just click on double click on it. What happened?
It's open.
Where is this now? You're getting the top expressions is getting. Where is that? It's editing. Just click on edit. Okay. Click on edit above option. Here is not getting us anything. So you have a top expression is there. Where is the top expression? Table settings. You have star sim. Just click on star simulation. Right, so below is then a star simulation. There only star simulation. Yes. Click on continue. So select the role type. Executing. Just click on execute. Yeah, done perfectly. Simulation processing status confirm strategy. That is done. And back to workbench. These are the steps you have to get in. Simulation process evaluation tab expression. Okay. But here now click on activate. Just click on activate now. Save and activate. Here one thing we are adding as a assign the decision table to function by selecting the top expressions. Where the top expressions is getting here. Go for additional functions once again. Yeah, double click on that decision table function. Double click on the table. Double click on that table. Decision table. No, that's okay. No. You have to go for properties option. Like no. Right click that expression. Right click on expression. Okay, create. Just click on create expression. No, it's again top expressions. Just want to click on close this. Here below details additional functions is there. Just click on additional functions. Additional, no. Right side you have above the 3 columns additional function. Click on that. Just click on that icon. Small icon is there. Check the complete. Click on the complete. Just check the completion component. Check the completeness. Okay. Click on insert. No, it's not getting it. Again, it's delete it. No need. Just click on delete. Okay, fine. Now go for above functions. Once I below functions, just to explain the function, what are the functions are there? Functions. Yeah, go for role methodology. First of all, go for role methodology. Double click on role methodology. Yes, and double click on. First of all, double click on that. So top expressions is then top expression is not assigning. Just click on that. No. Top, click on that. Top expression is not assigning. Means what type of methodology you're assigning. Below is click on that icon. Default object. Here in change mode, click on editing mode. No, single load methodology. Above one is that is one. Single load methodology. You're creating a single load methodology for Bifan. Okay, now save and same approver also you can go for and save it. Then double click on role approver. It's getting as yellow color. Is not getting yellow color. Say role methodology getting yellow color. Sorry, green color is getting. Means is not. Assign again here. Again is not assign again. Yeah, it's no inactive. It's not active. Active. Click on edit. Click on save and active. Yes. Yeah, now it's getting the same thing. Go for approval also. Yeah. You have to remember the role approver, role methodology IDs. What are the IDs there here? So 00, you have to copy paste the IDs, or else that naming convention also you can use it, no problem. Z role approver. Okay. Copy that, post it to some notepad. Copy the no and paste it to notepad. Both the approver and both. With IDs also you can remember, it's better. ID also you can copy. It's unique, you know. No, you have to copy paste,
Okay.
not screenshot. Copy you had to paste it. So you have to paste somewhere. That's a notepad. Open the
Okay.
notepad and paste it. In GRC, there only you can paste it better. Methodology also. IDRC you can copy. IDRC if you have copy, you can copy it. Automatically one ID is created, no? Methodology, role methodology also. Yeah. Okay, now save and last and final, save and activate. Role methodology, save and activate.
It's active.
Say first one, app. Above is an app. Double click on it. Yes, done. Okay, now minimize this. Now go for assign this condition. Now go 3RO. Go for SPRO. Previously you open when we're creating. Assign the country. Go for access control. No, SPRO. Go for access controller. Spell BRM. Role management. Sorry. Say the condition groups. What are the condition group you're creating to BRM plus? So here approve is not there. Click on methodology is there. Remove the methodology. What is the app you're creating? Give the app name. BRM plus app name.
Should I delete this or add a new entry?
New one. Already methodology condition group is there, but the application name is different, function name is different. You have to remove those two. Add it. Methodology and approval. Both you can add. Approval you can add first. Okay, no problem. One by one, two you can add both. BRF plus application name. Application. You remember? No. When you create a 3 steps is there. No? When you go for journey, your 3 steps is there. Application name and BRF function name. You have copied ID's name, but once go for BRF plus, allow it to open and go for that. You know the app name also there, no? Go for BRF plus. Application name. Application is common for both. Yeah, there is a common. Yes, no, that's it. Okay. Now you had function ID. ID, what is the ID? Is a BRM plus function name. Is nothing but just now we are activating those here, copy and paste it. Go for notepad. Either enter the naming convention, above also Z underscore, that is also paste or idea, that is your wish. Only one today. Same thing, methodology also. Now click on save. Okay. Now activate this. Just click on save it. What happened?
Yeah, it's saved.
I say some red color is there.
Entry already exists to the same key.
Okay, that's okay. Key is there, but okay, click on cancel it. Yes. But the namings, that's why the namings are different. Yeah, again, add the methodology. No. What? No need to do it. No need to do it. Just you have to change the names. Then application name is common.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, assign the next one. Assign this to activate this condition group. 11. Method define the methodology process steps. No, above one. First of all, methodology process. Click on new entries. Yeah, by default, your 2 is there. If you want to create new one, you can create new one. Sequence number. Already 01 is there, 02 is there. You have to give the 03. Methodology process. Create a click on. Status is active, making as a default. Enter the naming, anything. No, Z underscore weapon methodology. Something like. And process. What are the steps? What are the sequence? Means what are the phases usually? Click on new entries. Sequence number 1. Type it 1. Let's type it sequence. This is sequence. Sequence number 1. Okay. No, starting 0 onwards. Sorry, 0 onwards. 0. Step 1. No, first. No. Okay. Click it. No problem. Click on it. 0. First of all, click 0. Sequence is 0. 0 onwards is started. 0. Time enter button. Then only is getting action. Enter. No, automatic is getting enter button. Definitely, there is a define the role. Next, the sequence. Here, how many phases you want? Browse it. Enter better. You know, 0, 0, you know, what is second stage, you know. If you want, it's okay, that's okay. This is not option, not add all everything. So you have to change the zigzag order also. Okay. And you have to change, you have to adding all, not all. If you want 3 phases on, you can go for 3 phases. Okay. Approval. Okay. Fifth. What is stage you taking? Fifth one. Okay. Sequence number. Approval. Okay. Approvals. Approval. Okay. And last and final say completed. 07 generate role. Okay. Request for approval.
Okay.
So last one final completed. 07 is there. No? Generation. 06 is generation. Generation is there. No? Generator.
This one?
Gen. Test cases. Test is not generation the role. Just click on. Means now we are getting 4 phases there. Click on save button. Back. Go back. Go back. Scroll, no, no, wait, wait, just scroll upside. Remaining all deactivate. Only one at a time we are activate. Okay. Scroll upside. Remaining checkbox is there. Na? Uncheck that. What happened? Okay. Again, go back. Define the. Again, go for there once again. Yes, data is saved. Yes. Scroll upside. No, no. Previous is there. Method 1, method 2, method 4 is there. Na?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not.
there is only. No, second, uncheck this. First of all, uncheck this is also you can uncheck because already one guy is activated that. So you have to uncheck there and you just click on check the checkbox. Just click on yes. Scroll upside. There only. There only. Click on save. Okay, fine. Now only this is what I have to. Now click on save. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Then go back. Next, final. Assign the condition group to methodology. Remove this. Let's say the what a condition group you're creating there. Go for BRM plus. Just check the SIS is something you're getting. Single condition group ID. Go for BRM plus. Check it. What is the condition group you're getting? Decision table is then a table. Whether table. Go for function. That's the expression. Decision table. Single role methodology. Just double click on expression. No. Below is then an expression. Decision table is an expression below decision table is then. No. They. I'm saying expression, decision table, single role methodology, data object. There. Yes. Yes. Yeah. This is about single. Is that group ID? No. Below is there. No. No. Not that. Not that. Below is the condition group ID.
Oh,
Single.
this one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, methodology. What is methodology? 3. Click on save. Now go for BRM plus create any role. You are going to get the 4 phases.
It's not going back.
Okay. Hi.
Okay.
That's okay this time. Now go for BRM plus. Sorry. WBC. Access management. Create a role.
This one, role maintenance?
Yes, role. Now create an error. Single role methodology. Now see here only 4 phases is getting because you are saying 4 phases only. Maintain authorization, request approval, and generator. This can also there. Request approval is taken by the MSMP workflow. We'll be discussing later. Business for weapon, basis process for weapon. Weapon is there, no? Your business. So go for owner. Owner details also here. Yeah, it's getting now. Okay, no, one second. Yeah. Last year, name is not perfect. That's ashes is then you can remove the ashes. You have to give some description. Otherwise, getting error. Even below it tabs is there, na? Customizing field, owner, approver, pre-request, role mapping. Owners and approvers. Previously, I remember, I think you're creating one owner, role owner. Click on save editing button. Okay, what happens? It's automatically go to next phase.
Nothing hard to save it.
Okay. Once we can make it, I'll come. Yeah, now we add it. The role owner you're creating. I think you get the role. BRM role one, maybe BRM role one that. Or at least let me take it different. Okay.
Okay, we take it to BRM.
Okay. Now GRC BRM owner. Assignment of approval, role content approval. Click on next page. Yeah, no, you can do one by one. Add the delete the transition codes. This role, add and delete the functions. Add the what the transition you can add. Type it transition. These are transition. Sorry, this is function is necessary. Maintain the authorization data. See, nothing open. Just click on open. Is open the PFCG. Okay. Again, which server are able to creating either this user details. By default, you can change the details. Suppose this user maintain a GRC system or maintaining as, so you can check that. Okay, maybe you're selecting logically, yeah, EHP sign. Okay, fine. System description is in and select the system description. Expand on a system, expand it. So expand that drop down list. So where you are able to creating GRC system or ECC system? Backend are able to creating or front end you are able to create. Click on OK.
Back.
Yeah. Hello. Give the password. No, wait. No need to just wait. It's automatic open. Checking some time. Menu tab, you already just go for menu tab. You assign some function ID, na? Authorization tier. You assign this tab. Okay, that function ID. Okay, we have this to transaction code. User assignment is not there because of the tab is missing.
Yeah.
Even you have to push the back and synchronize the data. Yeah, no authorization. No, click on maintain the authorization. He's asking you to click on maintain the authorization data. You're already done. No authorization data for this role. Since the role is methodology, what else? Python methodology. No, you're already there. No? Click on. Just synchronize the PFCC data here. Just click on synchronize it with the PFCC data. No, they're only there. No. Yeah, sync with the. Now we can go for next step. So here requester, you can add the invitate the. See here, invitate the approval request is then this is due by the MSMP. Those guys will be generating at this set. Once he's approving, he's getting. Just click on invite the approval request. So automatically what happened is going to the request is automatically is going to the MSNP. Now see who is required. Okay. Yeah. Now he's waiting for the approval. Can't do that. Yes, already can go approve it, then only take the next step. Otherwise, it's not working. Okay, otherwise just go for go to phase is above and go to phase. You don't get go to phase again. You don't have this only. Okay, you don't go back again after that. Once is required, then once is approving. Who's the owner? GRC something isn't just is approved, then only is going to remain. See a request status. What's the request status here? Pending. Okay, now we have to go for GRC that user ID. User ID.
But does it tell you which is the owner?
Sorry.
Will it tell you which owner it is here, or I just have to go back and see on its?
No,
Which I
go
should
for
enter?
GRC system owner. You can approve it. GRC only. You can go for GRC BRS owner user ID. You're adding the
Okay.
GRC,
Yeah, I added
log.
to.
Yeah. Go for the no problem. Just go for SAP logon screen. If you don't know, go for STG, change the password. No problem.
We'll change the pass. I don't know which user this is.
Okay, you
That
can
was
change the
on.
password.
So it's on the EH7 side, right?
No, that is GRC only. GRC only. Owners are available in GRC only. No, you can change the go for STG and change the password. That is better. They're not the GRC BRM, you're saying GRC BRM owner.
Well, I think
No, GRC BRM user owner.
You only created this. 28th you will create it.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Not here, not here. NWBC or not here. Listen. NWBC. What happened? You don't NWBC. Go for workbox. Inbox. Work inbox is there, na?
This is
And,
GRCV.
oh, no, work inbox.
No,
Again,
this
is
is
doing
GR.
this.
This is GRCV.
Why you log in into different and you're typing NWBC different, na?
Okay.
See, log off
Again,
and log
it's
in. Yeah. Why is checking this is?
yeah.
Go for work inbox. Work inbox is there, na? No, no, here only. See, so many guys are Anu workbox, VPN test. Yeah, all is one. Yeah, that is one only. Select it and approve it. Click on that. Where is
It's
up?
already selected. But where is
Click,
the approval button?
just click on double click on. Mm. Ticket number. Where is this? All request information is there. Where the workflow is not designed properly. That's why it's not getting the decision pending on till. Request reason is there and other actions. Will I scroll down? This scroll down, like I say, the request scroll down. No attachment type. It's not. Go for notes. No task is not mention anything. Actually, getting an approver attachment over the approve. Just click on when you approve is approved is the reason.
Does it have the right rows, maybe?
I think the workflow is not done properly. That's why it's not getting. Is it notes? No, nothing. We'll check, no problem. Then we'll check into the MSMP once again. We'll be go, but we'll check that. Who's a once go for MSMP? Who is the approval owner?
MSMP transaction or?
No. Go for SPRO and GRC user ID. Let me check it. Intend no, not here. That go for MSMP, but for there, above one only there. Go for above one is there, na? Go for workflow for access control is there, na? Workflow access controller. Click on that. Maintain the MSMP workflow. Like selecting role approver. Scholar role approver. Select the role approver. Role approver is that role approval workflow. Not first one.
Next.
Click on click on display engine first of all. If you want to do any changes, you can add.
No authorization to change this.
What are the user ID? GRCB only, na?
Yeah, I think so.
Let me check this.
Yeah, GRCV.
But why not authorized? You have SAP underscore all access is also there, na?
Yeah, I think I've got a CPR.
Then why is it not authorized to check? Yeah, instead, why not getting authorized? You are assigning all 28 rows. The 28 rows, what are the things you know?
Yeah, pretty much everything. Okay. You can do the role approver though.
What do you do now? Previously role request. Okay. Again, role. Sorry, what is that? What is the role ID you're creating? Scholar. Initiator role. No, click on next. That's okay. Click on next. Click on next. This is correct. Just click on next. Yeah. So here processor initiator role. Okay. And that notification role. That's okay. Role over approver overall. Select the fourth one. Click on next. Approved by the just wait. Approved by the approver by the request approved ID and the current approval. Let's go next to scholar who is approved here. Okay, approved ID only that. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Yeah, this is the one default path. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Yeah, click on save and continue. Yeah, it's done everything. Is perfect. Create a new transport. New request. Already is not a create new one. Everything is done. Let me check it. I click on activate. Let me check it now. Check it now. Log on to the BRM user. Let me check this. What happened? This many guys. GRC 11. Where is the GRC 1 user? Oh, sorry. Your user ID? See, this many requests is open. There is no decision for role approval. See, till now, role approval,
This
role
is
approval.
my ID. I don't know why it's logging off with my ID only.
See, even it has a show many is there. Just select anyone request approve it.
Oh, sorry.
Previously, nobody do the role approval till now, so that's why.
I think it's not. There is something.
No, that is a request reason. That is the reason is not showing even. The table also is not there. The options are not getting. So we'll be checking, no problem. We'll be checking in MSMP why it is not getting. See, a previous also you're getting lot of requests also there. In outside you can check it. See here even GRC, you use ideas a lot of guys are. Let me log on to GRC, you use ideas. Let me check what are the requests is getting. Double click on any request.
Yeah, this is asking. Yeah, this one has an approved for it. Maybe the rules missing.
Sorry. This is the different.
Maybe
Click on yeah.
this is showing me approve or reject.
Yeah, this is the function ID. No? This is the function ID category when applied. Like you are showing something. Even check it where is below request is the approve it now is doing as a. This is the function ID. Check it out after this any roles is available. Means even your user ID who are approver. Close this. Scroll down. GRC1 below one is there. Okay, you're also given the function one. No, not reverse. Where is the GRCV? Okay, GRCV is putting as approval. With all our firefighter requests, everything just normal only. There is no. Yeah, JET PFCs, the role approved functional by the PFCs, JET PFCs. Just try that PFCs. Double click on it. Okay, this is all are thing, the same thing you're getting there also, but it's not getting maybe. Will we try in MMSMP when you're doing MSMP? We will try that. Okay.
Okay.
Clear that BRF. Yes. Even ARM concept also you can discuss this overall this. Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll be doing MSMP.
Yeah, ARM with MM. Starting as ARM, after that you go for MSMP.
Okay. And after that? So
After that, it's yeah. If you go for small integration for HANA security, all kind of stuff. Okay.
okay.